Hi, I'm Parni Jaggi, and in this video, we're going to be talking about the themes and the principal issues taken up in the play Tara by Mahesh Dattani. As we discussed earlier, Tara is a play in which Dattani talks about comprehensively and elaborately the issues of cultural discrimination with women in Indian society, where women is subjugated and underestimated by the patriarchal society, and she remains only a caretaker of the domestic requirements. Now, when we take up the themes of the play, the first and foremost theme that comes before us is the theme of identity. The theme of identity in Tara relates to how the individual's notion of self collides with the external social construction. And Mahesh Dattani applies this in terms of gender in India. Now, as we see in this play, these two kids born as conjoined twins, Tara and Chandan. Tara is a girl and Chandan is a boy. Now, they are to be separated after birth with the help of a surgery. And their parents decide that the boy Chandan is to be shown the preferential treatment. Now, the way in which this separation happens display more advantage to Chandan, making Tara's condition difficult and leading to her death. Now, in examination of the theme of identity in this case, in this play, Dattani is clearly suggesting that subjective constructions of identity often fly in the face of social expectation, and the individual must make an active choice as to how they can construct their own sense of self and sense of identity. So, here identity actually becomes the result of our own choices. He even argues that in forming our identity, human beings are what they choose to tolerate. Thus, in the world in which there is gender separation, gender prejudice, these are external impositions that we actually internalize. So, Chandan here recognizes this as his identity is formed. And towards the end, we see that he even changes his identity to Dan, and he does not want to face the world, and he becomes a complete introvert. So he says the choices that we individuals make in navigating both the internal reality and the external reality play a profound role in the identity formation and how we live our lives. Then, of course, we discussed earlier also in the previous videos that Tara is all about the study of gender discrimination in our society. Tara is not just a story of the protagonist, this girl called Tara, but it is the story of every girl child born in Indian family, whether rural or urban. And Tara is an enthralling play that questions the role of a society which treats the children of the same womb, same mother in two different ways. Now, here we notice that Tara, the girl, she wants to twinkle, she wants to shine, just like she carries her name. And it is a play about two children who are born conjoined, but they are separated, and this surgery means the death of either of the two. And the injustice starts here and now. It proves true that the woman herself is the worst enemy of other women, and so here Bharti, the mother, prefers the male child, and thus she only strengthens the chain of injustice by doing this injustice to her daughter. So it is kind of a bitter example of child abuse prevalent in Indian society. As we see, every girl child born in Indian family suffers from some kind of one or the other kind of a prejudice or difference or mistreatment in the society. So here Dattani as a playwright breaks the unity of time and even action in the very beginning of the play, because the play starts with the soliloquy of Dan, who is Chandan, and he's shown in London at the lightning speed. And then he appears in Mumbai from present to the past, and there is a flashback. So he even uses the technique of lights, the use of lights to highlight the action wherever he wants. So lights and music also play an important role in feeling the unity of action. So then we have an important component of the play, that is the social setup. The play also indicates that the patriarchal social setup also deprives women from gaining economic stability. Along with the tragic tale of gender discrimination, an unpleasant document of material discrimination against womenfolk is also woven in the fabric of the text of the play. Now, since Bharti was the only child of her own father, so he had bequeathed Tara and Chandan with a house in Bangalore. However, Tara is excluded from the bequest of his money by the grandfather. So Chandan inherits a lot of money, and due to this, that prejudice of the surgery is also done. So here, the Tani also dramatizes the angst of the urban family. There is a sense of unrest among the members of the Patel family in the play. And because Tara and Chandan are subjected to a physical deformity, Mrs. Bharti Patel, the mother, is suffering from the disease of hysteria. She becomes hysterical, and there is no familial concord, harmony between the husband and the wife. So we see the social setup of the Indian patriarchal society plays a very, very important role in the life of all members of the play. Then we have tradition versus modernity. Now here we have the grandfather and the mother who represent tradition, which again, like the social setup norms, prefer the male over the female. The male is the archetypal successor or prototype of cultural progeny. This explains why the author names the play after the female child whose identity is demoted otherwise, in order to invert the dialectical pair, male or female. Then, of course, we have the universal predicament, the predicament of the female, being a female. The handicap also symbolizes the predicament of girls in Indian families who are made to forsake their chances of getting educated as the edification of the boy becomes a priority. The death of Tara has a more powerful impact than her existence. Now, this is one drama in which the playwright has showcased the stark reality of life, and he's trying to draw the attention of the world towards the pressing needs of the time. It is not just the discrimination, but it is also the suffering that females have to undergo, and it is a human predicament, it is a universal predicament. This is how beautifully Tara, the character, and Tara, the play, project a universal cause, a universal suffering through the play. So this was my analysis of the themes of the play Tara. If you like the video, if it has benefited you, please like, share and comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you for being there.